Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about weekend plans.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends very much.
Me too. Weekends are relaxing.
Yes, weekends are a good time to rest.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually stay at home and watch movies.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I usually go outside with my friends.
Oh, really? Where do you go?
Sometimes we go to a park, sometimes we go to a cafe.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is always enjoyable.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I wake up late.
Me too.
I like sleeping a little longer on weekends.
Same here.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 9 in the morning.
That is nice. I wake up around 10.
Wow, that is late.
Yes, but only on weekends.
I understand.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, always.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you. What about you?
I like pancakes and coffee.
Wow, I love pancakes too.
Pancakes are very delicious.
Yes, especially with honey.
That sounds tasty. Do you cook on weekends?
Sometimes I do.
What do you cook?
I cook simple food like rice and chicken.
That is nice.
Are you good at cooking?
A little. I am still learning.
Practice makes perfect.
That is true. Sophia, do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you usually buy?
Clothes, snacks, and books.
Books are always a good idea.
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple English storybooks.
That is great for learning English.
Yes, I learn many new words.
Listeners, what do you usually do on weekends?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to know your weekend plans.
Yes, tell us about your favorite activities.
Sophia, do you spend time with family on weekends?
Yes, I do.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner together and watch TV.
That sounds very warm and happy.
Yes, family time is important.
I agree.
What about you?
I visit my grandparents on some weekends.
That is very kind.
My grandmother cooks delicious food for me.
Wow, what does she cook?
She cooks rice, fish, and soup.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, her cooking is wonderful.
Do you help her in the kitchen?
Sometimes I do.
That is nice.
Sophia, let's teach a useful English phrase now.
Great idea.
The phrase is weekend plans.
Weekend plans mean things you want to do on the weekend.
Example sentence. My weekend plans are watching movies and resting.
Another example, I have no weekend plans today.
Very good examples.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar a little.
Okay.
Sophia, we often use going to for future plans.
For example, I am going to visit my friend.
Another example is we are going to watch a movie.
Very useful grammar for beginners.
Yes, people use it every day.
You can also ask questions.
Like, what are you going to do this weekend?
Exactly.
Sophia, are you going to do anything special this weekend?
Yes, I am going to visit my cousin.
Oh, really? Where does your cousin live?
She lives in another city.
How will you travel there?
I will go by train.
Train trips can be fun.
Yes, I enjoy looking outside the window.
I like train rides too.
John, do you have plans for this weekend?
Yes,
I am going to play football with my friends.
That sounds exciting.
Then we are going to eat dinner together.
Wow, that sounds like a great weekend.
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
What does looking forward to mean?
Good question. It means feeling excited about something in the future.
Example sentence: I am looking forward to the weekend.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Sophia, do you watch movies on weekends?
Yes, almost every weekend.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like comedy movies.
Comedy movies are funny.
Yes, they make me laugh.
I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting too.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Usually with my sister.
That sounds fun.
We eat popcorn while watching movies.
Popcorn and movies are perfect together.
I agree.
Sophia, do you study English on weekends?
Yes, a little.
What do you do to practice?
I watch English videos and read simple books.
That is a smart idea.
Listening practice helps me a lot.
Yes, listening is very important.
I also learn new vocabulary every weekend.
Vocabulary means words in a language.
Exactly.
Let's teach another useful word.
Okay.
The word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example sentence: I relax at home on weekends.
Another example: music helps me relax.
Very nice examples.
Thank you.
Weekends are a good time to relax.
Yes, after a busy week.
Do you clean your house on weekends?
Yes, every Saturday morning.
Wow, you are very organized.
I try my best.
Cleaning is important too.
Yes, a clean room feels comfortable.
That is true.
Do you clean your room often?
Honestly, not very often.
Really?
Yes, I am a little lazy sometimes.
That is funny.
But I try to clean on Sundays.
Good job.
Thank you.
Do you exercise on weekends?
Yes, football is my exercise.
Exercise is important for health.
Yes, it helps us stay strong and healthy.
I sometimes go for a walk in the evening,
Walking is very good exercise too,
and it feels relaxing.
especially in good weather.
Yes, sunny days are wonderful.
What is your favorite weather for weekends?
I like cool and sunny weather.
Me too.
Rainy weekends make me sleepy.
Same here.
But rainy days are nice for reading books.
That is true.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
Thank you for supporting Clear Voice English.
Sophia, do you like traveling on weekends?
Yes, but only short trips.
Where do you like to go?
I like going to the beach or small towns.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I enjoy visiting parks and mountains.
Nature is very beautiful.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Taking pictures is also fun during trips.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I like taking photos of nature and food.
That sounds creative.
Thank you.
Let's practice pronunciation now.
Great idea.
The word is weekend.
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 Very good, everyone.
Another useful word is plans.
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 Great job.
English practice can be fun and simple.
Yes, do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us improve.
Exactly.
Sophia, what is your perfect weekend?
My perfect weekend is sleeping late, eating good food, and watching movies.
That sounds amazing.
What about your perfect weekend?
Playing football, meeting friends, and eating delicious food.
Food makes weekends better.
Yes, definitely.
Do you like going to cafes?
Yes, I enjoy coffee shops very much.
What do you usually order?
Coffee and cake.
That sounds delicious.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but only a little.
Too much coffee makes me nervous.
Me too.
Tea is also very relaxing.
Yes, especially in the evening.
Let's give one more English tip.
Okay.
We often use usually to talk about habits.
Example sentence: I usually watch movies on weekends.
Another example, she usually wakes up late.
Very useful for daily conversation.
Yes, beginners should practice these simple patterns.
Small practice every day is important.
I completely agree.
What about you, listeners?
What are your weekend plans?
Are you going to relax, study, travel, or meet friends?
Please tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your comments.
Sophia, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about many weekend activities.
And we learned useful English expressions, too.
Thank you everyone for listening today.
Keep practicing English every day.
We hope you have a wonderful weekend.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.